because in my class I never used to see students sitting so quiet, but in online class all sit so quiet. There is pin drop silence.
Oh, yeah. How is the online classes? What is the experience of your online classes? Online class teaching.
Yeah, as far as the online classes are concerned, initially there was some kind of a hesitation, and we used to find it very difficult because no, we didn't see any student in front of us, because we are habitual of that students sitting in front of us. 60, 70 students are sitting in front of us, and there is eye contact with each other. But in online classes, there is nothing like that. So the instant feedback, which we can say that any topic, if we are teaching any topic, whether that topic is understood by students or not, we can see that things through the eyes of students. So in online classes, this is not possible. But yeah, as far as me is concerned, I used to conduct online classes the same way as I conduct offline classes. I used to make fun of many students of mine, and used to crack the jokes as well online also. So I don't hesitate. I know
Yeah, we love your class.
my voice is
We
audible
love
to
your class.
all the members of that particular student's home. I know my voice is audible to them, but still I used to conduct the online classes same in that way in which I used to conduct offline classes, and really enjoying. In the beginning, initial level, that some hesitations were there, but now we are very much. I'm very much comfortable in online classes, and I'm enjoying online classes too.
Okay, okay. What about Shraddha ma'am?
Um, yes, Ritik, actually, it was quite a challenge for us because we were like teaching, we were having Blackboard teaching, and of course, we used to have some PPTs and videos shown in the classroom also. But as Sachin sir said, that there is no eye contact, there is no reciprocation of what we are teaching. So obviously, it becomes difficult. Like you know better because you are sitting on the other side of the screen. So I don't know
Yeah.
what Ritik is doing when I am teaching here machines. So that is quite difficult for me. Still, it is fine with the numericals because when I take numericals, I make sure students solve it and then reply me in the chat box with the answers. But Ritik never replies, so I don't know whether Ritik solved the questions or not. But it was yes challenge in the starting, but it has taught us like much about it. Like we are onto different side. Like we never thought that we can do something like this in the teaching and learning process. So it is a good experience, of course, and it is going to be like that like further even if offline classes starts. So some part of online teaching will be always there. That is what I think.
Okay. Dushyant sir, what? How is your experience?
Just yes. So initially I was also not much comfortable with online teaching, but now as the time has progressed, so slowly I am also getting accustomed to it. Fine, there are many firsts to it, because in my class I never used to see students sitting so quiet, but in online class all sit so quiet. There is pin drop silence. Fine. So I just don't know what they are doing. Fine. But assuming that everything is
Sir
going
used to
well,
ask सर को
we are
पूछना
just
पड़ता है अभी कि प्लीज स्पीक आउट समथिंग नाउ इन
yes,
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस
I'm also enjoying this online phase till we gradually shift on to offline mode. So it's a bit of a learning and enjoyment at the same time.